to start with your stock performance, hitting an intraday all-time high yesterday. What's the biggest driver of your performance? What's going right?
We've been delivering on what we said to investors 2 years ago. We just recently had an investor meeting in New York, and we spoke to them about how we're leveraging our cost structure, but more so how we continue to invest in innovation. So as the company continues to deliver, our next phase is to really create an innovative company that can have a contained and well-structured cost base so we can leverage and continue to deliver the double-digit growth in the bottom line.
And you just had an analyst or investor day where you set some longer-term goals, and people seem pretty happy with that. But a lot of people were writing notes about potential M&A acquisitions you could do of potentially multi-billion dollars. How are you looking at that?
Well, we look at everything. We have a very healthy balance sheet. We understand the adjacencies that we need to play, and the things that we should probably acquire that we don't have. Is a matter of discipline. Targets today are out there, and opportunistically they will come about. But for us, it's all about the value creation to our shareholders. If we can get the formula of getting growth rates of the target and returns on our investment, we will execute on acquisitions.
Another thing I wanted to ask you about is, of course, the shortages we've seen of some of the injectable products like saline and things like that, that were exacerbated by the hurricanes in Puerto Rico last year. As we approach hurricane season again, what's the status of your plant there, your operations there, and can you make sure that doesn't happen again?
We're fully recovered from what happened last year, and we are very focused on our mission of saving and sustaining lives. We have 2,000 employees in Puerto Rico, and we've been very specific about what to do to prevent or at least minimize the effect of a hurricane. We can't prevent a hurricane, but we can place our products in different locations. We have great help from the FDA getting products into the U.S. with special approvals. We're going for permanent approvals. We're using our Latin America network of factories to be able to bring more products into the U.S. So we, in a whole, are very focused in getting through the season without an incident. And we do the best we can, and we count on all of our employees across the globe to do it.
Well, Baxter is a very diversified company, and of course you had a spin-off of Baxalta a while ago, and that was purchased by Shire. But do you see it being better to be diversified, as so many in the pharmaceutical space are kind of splitting themselves up, spinning units off? How do you look at that?
I find that it's important to have important products in our portfolio, but not highly dependent on one specific product to hit the market or be very successful. So when you look at our product launches, our innovation going forward, we have more than 150 product launches that will result in $1.7 billion in incremental revenue for the next 5 years. So that creates a diversification that is healthy for the company, but one that also we can count on to deliver innovation.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.